In this saxophone lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play Angels We Have Heard on High step by step on the saxophone. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to start with phrase 1. So the first note is B, which is one finger in the left hand, and we're going to play the first phrase, which goes like this. So the only notes we're using in this first phrase are G, A, B, C, and D. And again, that's because we're part of the G major scale. So that was the first phrase of Angels We Have Heard on High. My name is Alexander Matthias from saxophonemasterclass.com. If you want to get the fingerings, the note names, the sheet music for the song for free, there's a link below on my website. You can download the sheet music right away. I'll email it to your inbox and then you can follow along. And you can also work on the song offline as well. All right, let's continue now with the rest of the song. And when we get into the second part of this phrase, we're actually playing the same notes. So we just play B, 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 up to D twice, then down to C, then B, then go into B, A, B, D, B, A, G. So it's the exact same notes repeated again. So that's section A of Angels We Have Heard on High. We're just playing the first 5 notes of the G major scale. Now we're going to move on to section B. Section B sounds like this. So that's the first phrase of section B, and we're starting on the note D with the octave key, 3 notes in the left hand, 3 notes in the right hand, going up to E with the octave key, down to D, C, B, C, and we're kind of doing this repeated pattern where we go up one more note to D, and we go ascending down to C, B, A, B. Then again go up one note to C. We can use side C here, or we can use middle C. And we go B, C, B, A, G, A, and then finally D, D, without the octave key. We then move on to a 2-bar phrase that sounds like this. Just playing G, A, B, C, B, A, and I'm using the side C here, before going back to that pattern again where we start on D, and we go and again we just play those 2 bars where we go G, A, B, C, B, A, and then land on G finally. And that's the entire B section. So the whole B section sounds like this. So that is Angels We Have Heard on High, step by step in the key of G major. Remember, you can download the fingerings, the note names, and the sheet music for this song using the link below this video, and that way you can work on this song offline. I suggest practicing your G major scale in 1 octave before you play this song, and maybe work on some long tones in the key of G major as well. So practice your long tones on every note of the G major scale. This is a great warm-up exercise, and it's going to help with executing the different notes of the song. The B section is the hardest part of this song, so practice playing those first few bars over and over very slowly so you can really get it into your fingers. Alright, my sax playing friend, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Check out this next video where you can learn Silent Night step by step.